Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. And this week we were talking about managing overwhelm. Eddie, I had an experience probably 2 weeks ago where I got off a call and, not going to lie, just got overwhelmed. There was a lot of crap going on, a lot of calls that need to be made, calendars booked up. I needed to get proposals out the door. I needed to finish up projects. I had a lot of crap that all kind of collided. And so the best way to explain it is that I just had a moment of overwhelm. And I was working from home that day. I just went downstairs and when Sam was actually folding laundry on our bed, and I sat down and just lost it. Just lost it. Fell out, had a stream coming out of my eyes. I don't know what that liquid is. But dude, it hit me.
Yeah.
And, Sam, being a great wife that she is, she's there to comfort and she's there to say, hey, it's all right. It's okay. And so we went into management of overwhelm. And I wanted to talk about that to say, number one, nobody's immune to it. Nobody's immune to it. You can be overwhelmed. It's all right if that happens, number one. But number two, what you do next is pretty important. And I think that if you are feeling the overwhelm right now, the biggest call to action that I have for you is, one, raise your hand, go talk to somebody. That can be your wife, husband, whoever. That can be your boss, your coworker. Just go talk to somebody. Because I know this is one instance where, I just went to Sam and I talked to her, but I know I've done that with you and you've done that with me before, where it's just like, hey man, everything's colliding. We sit down and we talk through it. And it's amazing what can happen when you just talk through it with somebody and they can say, when you open the door and say, help me kind of fix this problem, they start going ahead and they say, well, why are you doing this? Why are you doing that? It's okay if you're doing that. It's okay. Do you want to keep that? Do you want to keep this? Do you want to? All right, what about that? What about that? And just help you work through the problems. Open yourself up to have somebody help you get through that season of overwhelm. Because sometimes running a business, running a project, engineering a building, detailing a building, you pick it, life, it can straight up slap you in the face.
Yeah.
And it did for me. So, hey, raising my hand saying, hey guys, it happens and it's all right. I Lord knows I've got a podcast. I don't have it all freaking figured out. That's the reason I'm here, is to try to figure it out.
Yeah, we're here to talk to other people so we can learn.
Exactly.
It's amazing how somebody else can help you untangle your thoughts.
Yeah.
Because that's kind of overwhelming, right? You get kind of crossed up, tangled up.
That's a really good way of putting it.
So somebody's helping you take all that spaghetti and just kind of sort it out.
You're in a knot.
Yeah.
And for me, it was, I have all of these different things and I can't move forward. I literally can't pick a lane, man.
Yeah.
The best thing for me to do is literally just pick something, just do something, just hit one thing, go to the next. But in that moment, I was completely crippled from that. Could not make up my mind.
Yep.
Sam helped me untangle that mess. And then we also started putting systems in place to prevent that, which is she just started working as my kind of quasi-assistant for right now to kind of help me get through this season of overwhelm.
Right.
Until I can bring on somebody else. But listen, go untangle the cobwebs. It's all right. That happens. If you're feeling a little tangled up right now, it's okay. It's all right. Go talk to somebody.
I like my spaghetti noodles better.
Shut your face.
I don't know why you would untangle cobwebs.
Well, that's harder to do than spaghetti. You can actually do spaghetti, can't you?
You could untangle
spaghetti.
Which means it's possible. You're creating this. Everybody's going to be discouraged now, Tyler. They're going to be like, I'm trying to untangle cobwebs here, and it's not going well.
I'm feeling overwhelmed, and untangling cobwebs feels like an overwhelming situation.
Maybe that's your problem. Maybe you're just living in your feelings.
Maybe I am. Okay, well.
I like how you started out on this.
The next step in this is to go to counseling to work through all the bull crap that your brother puts you through weekly on a podcast. Anyway.
That's why I'm here.
Here's to figuring life out, everybody. Go build something awesome.